Right now, there are more than 40 cases, as we mentioned, going to the break of the Zika virus confirmed in our state. Luckily, none of those is here in Palm Beach County or on the Treasure Coast, but we should still be protecting ourselves from mosquitoes. Here today to tell us how is Brent Ball, who's the Senior Vice President of SWAT Mosquito Systems. And Brent, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having us.
Boy, you know, not long ago we had never heard of the Zika virus. Now you can't turn on the news without, hearing Zika. So since the spread of it to South Florida, has your company received a lot of calls from folks for help?
We have. We've been in high demand as leaders of mosquito industry, but we have gotten a lot more calls and appointments because of it.
And you've just seen it just recently?
Yes.
Okay, now on a regular basis, you guys get calls that, you have standing water and, it's mosquito season, so it's not unusual, but you've actually seen an increase?
It's grown awareness because of the multiple accounts of it in Florida. People are concerned, being vigilant, proactive of protecting their families.
What do you guys hear about, the dangers of Zika? Because it was all new to us, like I said, just a couple of months ago.
Well, each and every year there's something new that comes, whether a new species of mosquito, new virus. The chikungunya was last year, dengue fever, and now it's Zika. And in Florida we have the species of mosquito, the Aedes aegypti, which carries the dengue, the West Nile virus, the chikungunya, and now the Zika virus.
So what exactly is your company doing to help homeowners keep these mosquitoes from circulating around their homes?
We put an automated mosquito misting system that comes on sunrise and sunset for 30 seconds, flushes them out of their harboring areas, and kills them on contact. You also have remote control, so if you're going to go out on a weekend, barbecue, the kids are going to be playing the pool, you can just hit a button, mist it for 30 seconds, and flushes everything out. You're good to go.
All right, now, Broward has some cases, Miami-Dade has a lot of cases, perhaps other parts of Florida, but we haven't seen any here. I mean, is this something we can prevent, or is it inevitable eventually somebody's going to end up with some Zika virus here?
It's a matter of time. It's being transmitted from mosquitoes down in Central America and other areas, but it's also human to mosquito transfer. So when a mosquito bites an infected person here, then it is brought to the United States and someone will be.
Quickly, we're running out of time, though. Any brief tips that you can give to folks out there just to keep these things away?
Call the SWAT Mosquito.
All right, that's pure and simple, huh? And get rid of the usual things like the standing water and just try to keep those mosquitoes away. All right, Brent, thank you so much for joining us today. Make sure that you take all these tips into consideration so that you and your family can prevent yourselves from contracting mosquito-borne illnesses. Thanks again. Let's go back over to Roxanne and Holly.